Ooh, I look tired. I feel like doing a full-on glam today, and what better time to do it when I look like a zombie. First, let's prep our skin. I am still using this salmon sperm, guys. I like it. I really feel like it makes my skin look nice and alive and glowy. It's going on 3 weeks now, so I will keep you posted once it gets to that month for like before and afters. But in the meantime, it does work well under makeup. Oof, these under eyes are gonna take a lot of work today. I have not been getting good sleep. You know that trend where like you're the sun or you're the moon? I am definitely the moon because I am a night owl. I cannot sleep at night and I'd rather just stay up all night than wake up in the morning. But yeah, I have a kid, so that doesn't happen. Let's do a little extra hydration because I feel like I need it today. This is the Rhodes Glazing Milk. I love this stuff. I love the way it feels under my makeup, and it makes my skin feel nice and healthy. And I already feel like my skin looks so much more glowier and healthier just by prepping my skin. Just gonna conceal my spots that I need to conceal with my favorite, look at this well-used baby right here. You know I love it if it's like this. This is Soft Matte in Madeline from NARS. So I'm just gonna conceal my spots and let that dry down while we work on our eyes. Okay, so we're just going to prime my eyes. I am using my favorite P. Louise in 0.2. You could use whatever you want, any base, any concealer. Just make sure you prime your eyes when you're doing a glam look. And I'm gonna bring that baby all the way out here because this is gonna be a look. So we are doing a double wing today. You could do this any way you want, but I'm gonna use the tape method because I wanna show you how easy it is with this tape method to make it both nice and even. We're gonna line the tape up with this edge of our eye, our bottom lash line here, and kind of tilt it up. Now, wherever you blend now is gonna be right here. You can use any tape you want. This is scrapbooking tape. Just make sure it's not super duper sticky because when you pull it off, it's gonna hurt. Before you start your eyeshadow, make sure you tap out those creases that are probably there from your base. Then I'm gonna be using this ColourPop Bratz palette. Look at how cute the colors are in here. I'm gonna go in with my crease color first, dump him right here. It's like a brownish mauve tone. And we're gonna just put that right into our crease very lightly, just to add a little definition before we start blending out our wing. And you want to be a little bit more heavy-handed on the outer corner here, just a little bit more definition there. Okay, so now we're going to go in with like a pencil-y brush, just like a smaller tip, and we're going to do this blue right here. And this you want to kind of follow the line of our tape. You want to keep it more on the outer corner, and don't worry about how far you go out. It doesn't really matter. We could clean it up afterwards. Then you want to bring it on the outer corners of your eye here. Don't go all the way into the crease yet. We're going to blend it there, but right now we're just packing the pigment on. Once you have the pigment where you want it, go in with a blending brush that's small, and you want to kind of just blend it out lightly. And we're also going to slightly bring it into the crease for that definition, just a little. Then we're going to take a very thin brush, and we're going to take that blue, and we're going to bring it on our lash line here. And then with that same small brush, we're going to start adding black to that wing area. And we really want to just follow the tape here. If you have anything else that you don't want on your lid space, clean it up with a Q-tip. But I'm pretty good. I'm going to go in with Mini Skirt, which is this shimmery brown here. And I'm only going to put that on the outer half of the eye on the rest of that lid space. And you want to kind of do it in a diagonal like this. And then blend it in and tap, tap, tap. That brown shimmer is beautiful with these blues. And the rest of the lid is going to be this sparkly blue right here. Look how pretty. And I'm going to go in with Rare Beauty's Perfect Strokes Liner. And I'm going to just do our wing here. And we're just going to peel the tape away. The reason why I told you it doesn't matter how far you blend out. Take your makeup wipe on your finger and you're going to clean up the other side and kind of go up. I like to go up. You could do whatever you want, but I like to kind of go up and clean all that area off right there and make it a little shorter. Whatever works for your guys' eye shape. Okay, so I just popped on these last clusters. They're self-stick from Velour. Let's finish the rest of our makeup before we finish the eye. Makeup by Mario Foundation. Rare Beauty's Contour in Solace. I'm going to go in with Rare Beauty's Happy Blush. Such a pretty color. So concealer you want to do right up against this wing to make it look really sharp and clean. Brows, we're going in with my favorite Rare Beauty brow gel and the pencil just to fill in the sparse areas. Using main line from Urban Decay in the waterline. Then you're just going to work backwards from the colors you used up top. So first we're going to use blue, then the brown, and then the tiniest bit of black, but we're going to actually do a double wing. So you're just going to find that kind of like rolly part of your eye, the underside, and you're going to follow that all the way out, kind of halfway to the line that we already have. And then I added a little bit more of that liquid liner to darken it up a little. You don't have to do that. You could definitely just leave it shadow if it's easier. And then just clean up the inside, the middle part, with some more concealer to really make that pop. Okay, so let me do my hair and change, and I'll be back to finish the look. Oh my God, okay, I'm running out of time because I have to go pick up my daughter from school, but I really wanted to show you this look before all the craziness begins. So I just extended the inner corner a little bit with some shadow, and then I did my lips. I used Revlon's Rum Raisin, love this color, and I also used lip liner ColourPop's Brink. And then I topped it off with a gloss, Buxom's White Russian, and that is it. If I had more time, which I never do, I swear to God, I don't have time, but if I had more time, I would add some like blue gems right here. That would look so pretty, and maybe some in the inner corner too, but I still think this is really, really pretty. A nice going out look. I'm not going out. I'm going to get my daughter from school, but at least I know how to do this now. Wait. One more little close-up before I completely take this off. Here is the inner corner shimmer. Here is the wing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back. Bye.